Hi, Ignace. I am working on the progress report for the group, and as you can see here, I have you as not completed the 4 units in part 2. So let me explain why. Okay, as you can see, I am logged in as you here. Okay, so part 2 starts with part 2 overview. So this is in my report. This is module 1. This is module 2. This is module 3 with the assignment. And this is module 4. Okay, as you can see, module 4 is good. 100% finished, and each of your scores in each of the units was above 100%. Okay. Module 3 was good as well. But as you can see in module 1 and module 2, these do not show as 100% complete. Okay, so if we go back to my report, I cannot mark you as complete in module 1 and module 2 until these are 100% complete. Okay, it says continue and continue. Your score is fine. Each of the scores are above 100%. Okay, but maybe, for example, here you have some problems here from module 1, part 1, 2. Okay, so I just really need for you to make sure that you go back and make sure that all of the units, for example, any questions, same here. Look, there's 2 units here. Okay, I need for you to make sure that all of the units have 100% finished and a grade above 70. Okay, thank you.